Many traders fall into the trap of chasing the perfect trade. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all in the market. What may seem perfect one moment might not be ideal the next. It's time to shift our perspective and focus on the art of waiting. Patience is more than just a virtue, it's a superpower in trading. Waiting for the right opportunity allows you to maintain discipline and avoid impulsive decisions. Remember, the market rewards those who can stay calm and composed in the face of uncertainty. Instead of obsessing over quantity, shift your mindset to prioritize quality trades. By patiently waiting for high-probability setups, you increase your chances of success. It's not about making every trade, it's about making the right ones. Waiting for opportunities doesn't mean sitting idly. Use this time to enhance your skills, analyze the market, and refine your strategies. The more you master the art of waiting, the better equipped you'll be to seize the moments that truly matter. Trading is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and understand that waiting is an integral part of it. Each moment of patience brings you closer to the opportunities that align with your strategy and goals. In conclusion, let's shift our focus from the elusive perfect trade to the power of patiently waiting for the right opportunities. It's a mindset that can transform your trading experience. If this resonated with you, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let's continue this motivational journey together. Remember, the best trades often come to those who wait. Until next time, happy trading.